Hello everyone. So today I will do an evening makeup look using this mixology palette in shade Sweet and Mix. So first I will prep my eyes using Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in shade Warm Porcelain. This foundation stick has medium coverage. I will cover my eyes with this one. So now I will fix it with Sephora powder. It's a glow finishing pressed powder. Now I will fix my brows. My brows are already dark and thick and there are no gaps. So I will just use Benefit Goof Proof Eyebrow Pencil in shade 3. As it is an evening look, so it will be little dark. So I will brush it. So my brows are almost done. So now it's time to start the makeup. So first I will use this shade as a transition shade on my crease. It's a very light peachy shade. In evening makeup looks, blending is the key. You have to play with too many colors, but you blend them very properly. Next, I will take this brown shade. And I will cover my lid. Blend, blend, blend. If you're not tired of blending, that means you have not blended your shades well. So if you become tired, means you have blended it thoroughly. You can use any brown shade because this palette is discontinued. So you can use any peach shade on as a transition shade and any brown shade to do this look. Now I will use this copper shade on my lids. Shade from the palette. You can use any copper shade. I mean, first we used peach color, then brown color, and now a little metallic copper shade. Use any gray color, any metallic gray color for this look, and then you can apply that shade. So this will give a foiled eyeshadow look to your eyes. So let's start it. Start from the inner corners towards outside. We will only cover 1/3 of the eye because already we have used very dark shades. So little by little, very carefully. Now here we have choice. If your dress is black or it has more of a black touch, you can use black color on the outer corners. But if your dress has other than black color, then you can use either darkest green or darkest brown. So I will use this color on my outer corners. So now you make the outer V by using the dark shade. Use it very carefully and use it from outwards to inwards, and you will cover 2/3 of the eye up till here. Don't go in this area, it will look very tacky. So only cover 2/3 of your eye like this. This is the trickiest part in this makeup. If this goes neat, then whole look will be very neat and smooth. Now you can see. Okay, so now you will use light peach again just to balance out. You can see now there is no harsh line. You'll blend it outwards. And now again it depends on your dress. If your dress has more silver color, then you will use silver on the brow bone. And if your dress has hint of gold, then you will use golden highlighter on the brow bone. So my dress has silver color and my jewelry is silver. So I will use silver brow bone shade. And it is from the same palette. It's a very beautiful silver color. Using this brush, shape of this brush, you can see. Okay. Now we will use the same silver shade on the inner corner of the eyes to brighten it. Okay. Let's go to the under eye. I will use the same brown shade which I used on the outer V in the inner corner of my eyes. Here I already applied. Use the same shade and make sure that there are no harsh lines. Please, side by side, blend all the harsh lines because this look is very, very dark. Okay, in the center there is a little twist. So you will use the same copper color, copper golden color in the mid, just to little bit. It's optional. You can use a glitter eyeliner, any golden glitter eyeliner on this area, just little bit in the center of your eyes. So now I will apply liner. So that's it. That's how. Now the last step is mascara. So this is Marc Jacobs. Marc Jacobs mascara, Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara in 10 Noir. See the difference between both. See the difference in both eyes, with and without. Always do double coats. My lashes are medium to small. Not. So this is the final look. Okay, there is one small tip. If you want to make your eyes look round and big, just put one dot on the on this area and smudge it. Smudge it quickly. So this will make your eyes look very big. See, you can see the difference in both eyes. This and this. Just quickly smudge it. And don't join with the liner. See. So this tip will make your eyes look bigger.